two types of naming word: common names and special names. So, let us see with the help of an example. This is Rohit and this is Mala. This is Jackie and this is the picture of India Gate. So, this is a picture of boy, but this boy has a special name. What? Rohit. Okay, he is a boy and his name is Rohit. So boy is a common name and Rohit is a special name. This is a picture of girl and this girl also has a special name. What? Mala. Likewise, in this picture, what is this? This is a dog. But this dog has a special name, Jackie. This is the picture of a India Gate. And India Gate is the special name of a place. So, person and place often have special names. Our pets also have special names. Month of the year have also special names that you already know. January, February, March, April. Days of the week have also special name like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and there are some special days. Special days have special name. So, like Republic Day, Diwali, Holi, these are special days and these days have a special name. So, there is one common thing more. Special names always begins with a capital letter. Okay. Special names always begins with a capital letter. In Rohit, R is capital. In Mala, M is the first letter which is capital. In Jackie, J is the capital letter. And in India, I also. Likewise, there are so many examples. So, what we learn from this lesson? There are two types of naming words. First one, common names and special names. Or you can say that there are the types of noun that we learn here, common and proper. Okay, so boy and girl are common names or common nouns, and Rohit and Mala are special names or special proper noun. Our pets also have a special name. Dog is a common noun, but Jackie is a special name. So special names always begins with capital letter. Now here is given some example like circle the first letter of the special name. That means which is a special name, circle that first letter. So in NAGPUR, Nagpur. Nagpur is the name of place, name of a city. So in N is N should be written as capital here. Next, Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma is the name of special person. So here R will circle, and after that Godavari. Godavari is the name of a river. So here G should be circle, and here Howrah Bridge. Howrah, where is Howrah Bridge? In Kolkata. So here H. This is the name of special. Here is Howrah Bridge. Is a special name of a bridge. So your H first letter will capital here. Now look at this picture. Anand Sharma, Gateway of India, Jyoti Sen, Rover, Jantar Mantar, Apu. So write the sentence with the help of the clues. You have to make a sentence with these clues. Like Anand Sharma. Anand Sharma is sitting in a plane. So Anand Sharma is a pilot. Gateway of India. Where is Gateway of India located? Gateway of India located in Mumbai. So you can write here. Located in Mumbai. Now here Jyoti Sen. Jyoti Sen, she is a doctor. So write here. Here is a dog and its name is Rover. So Rover is my pet. You can write like this. Jantar Mantar. Jantar Mantar located in New Delhi. Apu. Apu is an elephant. So likewise you have to complete this. Sentence, and here are also given some clues, so use this word and make it and understand it. Thank you.